How's it, Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel? Today it's going to be the Emperor's future. All right, the Emperor in the future position. So, before we get started, please subscribe to our channel. It's free. And also make sure you hit that notification button so you can keep updated on all our future videos. All right, so let's get started. The Emperor symbolizes a stoic ruler sitting on a grand throne decorated with four ram heads. These are symbolic of his connection with the zodiac sign Aries, which is related to the planet Mars. He holds an orb in his left hand, which stands for the kingdom he rules. In his right hand, he holds an ankh, the Egyptian symbol of life. The red robe he wears indicates energy, power, and passion for life. Underneath his robe, he wears armor signifying protection from any threat he may encounter. His white beard represents wisdom that comes with age and experience. As a paternal figure, he leads with a firm hand and demands respect and authority. With a highly organized plan, he can approach and overcome any problem that is thrown at him. The Emperor in the future position symbolizes power, authority, order, and mastering worldly gain, either in leadership or in government, and offers stability in times of trouble. A good time for building a career, a family or material nest egg, starting your own business, or getting married. Also can represent a father, brother, husband, son, or lover. Emperor in the upright future position. Opportunities are now in your grasp. You may be starting your own business or will be in for a promotion. You know what you want to create and organize those around you. You're about to reach a new level of mastery, usually in your work, and are seen as an expert in your field and being recognized for your opinions in a professional manner. You are building a solid framework and are in control of external circumstances in your life. It indicates an executive position or someone in a high place in government or in the military. This card in the future position tells you to be strong, persevere, and be in command. And if you do this, it suggests material success and worldly gain is yours for the taking. If single, be ready to fall in love. In this reading, it means action, commitment, and stability. If in a relationship, it is a good sign and stands out for monogamy and a good, lasting, long relationship. Or if the relationship's in trouble, it will soon be over or improve. Alright, so the Emperor in the reversed future position. In reverse, it means there is a negative presence that's influencing your personal or professional life, and action is needed to be taken in order to resolve the issue. Whether you're abusing your power or someone else is dominating the situation, your primary goal is that you find a way to combat it. People may see you as an insecure person in need of power and control. You need to think about the role that power plays in your current life and make a decision to change your attitude towards others. Alright, to sum the Emperor up in the future position, in any future card position, wherever the Emperor falls, if it's in the future position of that layout, stands for material success, worldly gain, taking action. Okay, the world is yours for the taking. So that's it for the Emperor in the future position. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and please subscribe to our channel. It's free. And also make sure you hit that notification button so you can be notified for all our future videos. And also leave comments and suggestions or whatever you want. Alright, so this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Good day on you.